Hi fellows, if you work with set extensions in Fusion and you want to match the colors with your camera footage, the best way to do so is to insert a second media out. You do this by Control spacebar or Shift spacebar, and then you type in media out. I already did this. So I have here second media out. What happens in the color page for this clip is that you now here have a second media out. So this is the first media out one. Here you have the camera footage with all the color grading we did to it. And then we have here a node where we did the color grading for the set extension. You go here and insert a parallel mixer, and then you just put the green output into the green input of the parallel mixer. And same thing with the last node from your footage grading, also in the parallel mixer. Depending on what's the fore and what's the background, you just have to decide which input on the parallel mixer you are going to use. So thanks for watching to this a little bit awkward spoken tutorial, but I hope it helps in some way. So thanks for watching, have a great day, and goodbye.